Welcome to 3D printing tutorial. Today I will walk you through how to use Printer 3D printer using repertory server interface. At first we need to visit 3dprint.ilab.fi/login. There are multiple login options on this page. You can use guest user with one-time passcode. You can log in if you have registered. You can simply sign up if you haven't registered. In case you forgot your password, you can enter your Tony email to reset your password. In my case, I have already signed up. Make sure to use Tony email to log in. After login, you will be welcomed to this page. You can verify your email at the top right corner. You can log out if you like, or log out after using the service. In here, when you click Go to the printer, it will bring you to the printer management side. This is printer management dashboard. Green printers are online and ready to be used. To demonstrate how to use, we can select Printer E. You can see Printer E control panel. Make sure to have proper G-code prior printing. Let's try to print something. Select Print. From here, you can print directly, or you can upload your G-code to print from there. You also can use previously used G-code. You can use direct print if you do not want somebody else to see your history. I'm using my own G-code to print. Once uploading is finished, printing will begin automatically. You can monitor progress by selecting Control Panel. You can also monitor various parameters in this page, such as bed and nozzle temperature. This bed has a 2D and 3D view. You can see the object is currently being printed. Bed temperature automatically being adjusted so that printing can begin. You can stop and pause printing by clicking this option here. Here you can see estimated time for printing. Printer is getting warmed up to print this object. Here the printer is in action. It's printing the object I just uploaded. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you.